A very good morning to all of you and welcome to Pre-Bell with Team William India. Today, October 30, 2023, and a clear disclaimer that the registration granted by the SEBI, the membership of BSL and certification from NISN is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of the return to investor. Investment in the security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Okay, so let's look at Nifty 50 setup. So there was a sharp fall last week. Now I think especially the three back-to-back sessions when there was a sharp fall in Nifty and the market status was changed to a downtrend. So if I do the annotation over here, the market status was changed to a downtrend. Downtrend मतलब correction में. So we are in the worst possible scenario as far as the market status are concerned. So now once we are in a downtrend, we look for the bottom formation कि भाई कब bottom बन रहा है and for that we look for the a rally attempt. तो उसके लिए the first positive close or the first close in upper half of the days range. देखो दो condition है, first positive close, ठीक है, पहली बार positive close होना, second पहली बार upper half of the days range में close होना, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे we got the day one, that is the first positive close. So currently we are in a rally attempt day one. Okay, so if we hold above this Thursday's low, अगर हम Thursday के low के above और 2 दिन hold कर लेते हैं, ठीक है, day 2 and day 3. If day 1, 2, 3 we hold above Thursday's low for 2 more sessions, इतना simple सोचो कि Thursday के low के above 2 more session अगर हम hold करते हैं, then we change the status to a rally attempt. ठीक है, that's when we will change it to a RA, means rally attempt. और उसके बाद we will look for the follow through day, that is 1.5% gain on a Nifty on a volume higher than previous session, and वहां से market confirm uptrend में जाएगा. So I think for today's session the most important thing is to hold above the Thursday's low. ये सबसे important है आज के session के लिए. Okay. So overall, the structure is quite weak because not only Nifty, if you look at the structure of Bank Nifty, okay, Bank Nifty ने तो 200 DA में भी तोड़ दिया था. If you look at the sectorial indexes, so the sectorial indexes are also very weak. So abhi the technical damage is little on the higher side. So whenever the technical damage is a bit higher, okay, the repairing takes time. अभी आप कहीं भी डैमेज ज्यादा होता है, ठीक है, घर पे हो या कहीं पे भी हो, तो वो डैमेज अगर ज्यादा होता है तो उसको रिपेयर करने में टाइम लगता है. सो हियर द डैमेज इज ऑलरेडी डन, ठीक है. स्ट्रक्चरली अगर देखें तो इट माइट टेक सम टाइम टू रिपेयर इट इवन इफ वी लुक फॉर अ बॉटम, ठीक है. एंड अल्टीमेटली द सपोर्ट ओवर हियर इज द 200 DMA which is somewhere around 18600 700 level, ठीक है. So 18600 18700 is a very crucial zone for the Nifty, and I think before that the Thursday's low. So these are the two levels to watch this week on the downside. Okay, so on the higher side, what becomes important is like once you hold about couple of days above this low, you look for a follow through day. बड़ा moment आना चाहिए 1.5% on a volume higher than previous session. Then you might look for a 21 DMA reclaim, 50 DMA reclaim, और जो important है कि 19,500 600 वाला level, ठीक है. So this is a broader level, I think, for you can say not only for this week but for the November month. So on the higher side 19,500 600, on the lower side 18,600 700. So this 600 700 point का जो पूरा range है, that becomes very crucial for Nifty. Okay, so now let's look at the key news. So lot of results today: Andhra Paper, Apollo, Castrol, LT, DCM, Sriram, DLF, GMR Airports, KPIT Tech, Tube Investment, बहुत सारे result है. Then if you look at the key news, Ultratech Cement Board has approved the third phase of growth investment of 13,000 crore or increasing capacity by almost 22 MTPA. Bharti Airtel has collaborated with Microsoft to enable integrated calling through Microsoft Teams. Pfizer had reported its Q2 numbers. The PAT declined more than 50%, while the revenue was down around 10%. There was a contraction of almost 470 bips in margin. EU Small Finance Bank Q2 profit grew almost 17%, NII was up 15%, while NNPA was up 5 bips. This should be bips, 5 bips QOQ to 0.6%. Now, if you look at the global market on a Friday, US में थोड़ा mix था. So Dow and S&P were down, but if you look at the Nasdaq, it was up around 0.4%. Today, the Asian markets are trading mixed. The Kospi is up 0.4%, while the Nikkei is down 1.2%, Shanghai 0.4%. If you look at the GIFT Nifty, it indicates a muted opening. मतलब थोड़ा 30 पॉइंट इधर उधर हो सकता है, but broadly it looks like a muted opening क्योंकि futures level है 19,100 के around as far as on the SGX Nifty. And if you look at the Friday's closing, ठीक है, तो फ्राइडे क्लोजिंग निफ्टी का 19,050 के अराउंड था एंड द फ्यूचर क्लोज समवेयर अराउंड 19,146. तो उस हिसाब से देखे तो 30-40 पॉइंट का गैप डाउन पॉसिबल है, बट यस यू कैन से अ म्यूटेड टू लोअर ओपनिंग फॉर निफ्टी टुडे. That's what the levels of gift nifty indicating. Now this is very interesting. If you look at the global market, okay, developed market at William O'Neill, we track 25 developed market, okay, and 25 emerging market. So अभी जो 25 developed market है उसकी हालत बताओ तो 14 are in a downtrend. So this is a huge number. The 14 markets are in a downtrend as of Friday closing, ठीक है, and only one is in a uptrend. बाकी 3 uptrend under pressure में और 6 rally attempt में. So this is the Friday's number, and almost 14 are in a downtrend. Now if you, so you can see, ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारा निफ्टी में प्रॉब्लम है, our market is in the trouble, but globally there is issue. So almost all the developed market including the USA, ठीक है, सब downtrend में है. Now if you look at the emerging market, so in emerging market also we have almost 7 market in downtrend, उसमें से एक अपना है, India is one of them. ठीक है, 7 are in a uptrend under pressure. So soon if this week we don't recover as a global level, so I think ये जो 7 का नंबर है ना, ये यहाँ पे ट्रांसलेट होता है. So next week when we meet, I think this number will increase. So 5 are in a rally attempt and 6 are in a confirm uptrend. So the damage is not that big as far as the emerging markets are concerned, but yes, from in the developed market, you might have seen that there's a lot of issues in the developed market. Emerging is trying to hold, but I think this week is very crucial. If we don't hold in this week, then you will see that the more and more of the emerging markets also going to a downtrend from the under pressure or confirm uptrend. Okay, so thank you for joining the session, guys. That's it for today's session. See you again.